One more trip, one more mirror, and right now I am in Swindon. It's a city that I never heard about. It's just 1 hour by train from London. It's a small city. Not sure how many people live here, but I know that one of my mirrors will start to live here in this beautiful wall that you can see here. And it's really nice because in York I was doing a mural because the girl just bought a house, and this one is the same. The girl here just bought the house not 9 months ago, so she's still doing the house to feel like home, and I am part of it and I feel so glad about it. And something that I like about this art that she loved the purple, so we are doing with purple. We are also using the color theory to use the opposite colors, and I'm gonna put purple with yellow. What's a kind of tricky color combination, because all the time that you use opposite colors, things can go a little bit bad. It's because you need to study well what you want to do, and we want to do a mural that pops, and this means that yellow and purple will be perfect together. Because we think about another colors, if you talk about another colors, you can harmonize and you can do contrast, and purple and yellow do contrast, and this is what we are doing here. Right now we need to do the before and after, and something that's like is really important, this part of the process. Being honest, the first hours of a mural is always like so slow, because I need to do a lot of before and after. I need to prepare the paint and I need to prepare everything, and this is the process that we are doing right now. Right now it's 8:30. I still don't have my working clothes. We just arrived from the train station. As soon as I finish the pictures, I will start to put everything in place, and we have our biggest challenge of this mural, the carpet. The client was so nice. She already bought me like some coffee with milk. I was needing it since we wake up like 5 a.m. to arrive here, because we were in Bersmonde in London, and we had to go to Paddington. That's 1 hour, and I had to do my hair, and after was 1 hour to arrive here, and we need to finish that just the weekend because she works in the weekdays. What means that we need to be so fast. You know, since the wall is carpet, we need to rely so much on the plastic. It's not just in the plastic, we need to rely on the plastic in our prayers. What I like to do everything that's together first, so I don't get lost in the process. So let's start all with this size. This side. We are going so fast with this mural. Basically, I already painted everything. This blue is not dry yet. Also, as you can see, I had to change my clothes because I want to finish it fast. The client has just the weekend just the weekend to do this mural, what means that I need to be fast to finish it in time. And also we are in a really nice hotel with a swimming pool, and I want to enjoy it. I opened the window. It's so cold now, but at least it will get dry faster. What means that we're gonna have more time at swimming pool. Pew, 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 pew. Because like we were in London, and the problem about London is that London is a big city, so the hotels are so expensive. Like the price of this hotel with swimming pool and everything. I'm eating my hair. Is the price that we could do like almost nothing in London. I think this price would be to go to a hostel, a shared room in London. Also, I am crazy. It's so weird for me to do the vlog with this. Also, another thing that I was so scared. We travel with 2 bags. You know, we have this suitcase here and the big one. And since my friend was in London, I was like, we let the suitcase here, and after, you know, later I will get when we come back. And I forgot my documents there. And I was like, how can I do check-in without my documents? I'm glad that who paid the hotel was the client, and the client just called to them and they just say like, yeah, just come here and we can organize it if it's with her card. Because I was freaking out. I was literally freaking out. Like, imagine me coming back to London today because I didn't bring documents. It's like dumb somehow, no? A little bit, yes. A little bit, yes. This is so beautiful. I will start to sketch this one. Time to the tech part. Also, it's cold, so I get a little bit of tea. You know, guys, I'm in England, what means that everything here is about tea. Tea and pubs, so... I'm freezing! I will start by the flower. Ba-bum. Does a really nice sound like ba-bum, ba-bum. Let's start by this beautiful flower here. Ooh la la, ooh la la. Hey! Nada. Ai, que frio! I know, it's... Okay, all the time when I think that's cold, I will just think about the swimming pool. Swimming pool! Swimming pool! I can't. I'm gonna die for sure. Mamma mia! Sometimes I need to remember to be more soft with my hand, because if not I let like really strong pencil marks, and it's not what we want. I don't want it. Pew, new, new, new. Oh, damn. That flower is so tall, mamma mia. But I'm taller. Il Monte Everest non tiene nada contro di me. Aqui. Aqui. No, please tell me that this one está seco já.
Sure.
Hã?
Yeah.
Ai, basta. I can't. I'll do it. What? Can you do it? So. Damn. is day 2. Yesterday we arrived at the hotel like 5 p.m. and we enjoyed the beach. We enjoyed the swimming pool, what was really nice. After the swimming pool we made some sauna. I think it was a nice time to like chill a bit and relax, and we did it. And today we have to work, and I have a challenge because I didn't like the blue. Has one of blue that was supposed to be super pastel, super baby blue, and it's such a like a school blue. What means that I'm going to buy paint right now. I was not planning it. I was supposed to finish this today in 3 hours, but it is what it is. The important part is to finish the mural like feeling perfect and delivering a really good result. So I don't care about buying more paints or do what to do to be sure that the result will be top notch. And we are late as always. I think this makes such Latin people for that. I think we are like 5 minutes late. I was supposed to drink a coffee. Ooh, has a Starbucks here. Maybe I have time for a Starbucks. So if we go fast, we go for Starbucks, baby. So let's go buy paint and start the day 2 of this mural. We're gonna let the suitcase at the hotel, and I almost forgot my makeup. And I don't like a lot to do my videos without my makeup because I feel that my eyes don't pop. So now I have my necessaire. It will be more tricky because I already started with the markers and I need to do the blue on top of the markers. I'm like, I'm showing a bit of my work.
Oh wow! Oh my goodness!
How beautiful is that?
Oh my god!
It's a lot of work and not breathing. The mirror, no? I'm just painting for hours and I go to the toilet, and when I come back I'm like, oh, wow, you know? Yes. For my own work, because it's the same thing, like because of the scale you are so nearby, so when you come back you're like, now it's a mirror.
Easy to.
Yes.
I mean, I stencil, and I dread it when I take the stencil off, because sometimes I take the stencil off and you think, oh my god.
Yeah, and sometimes it's exactly, yes. You already saw that you can use a augmented reality glass to stencil it.
Really?
Yes, I do that. I will show you a video. It's so nice.
How do you do it?
It's like you know this MetaQuest VR, that's a virtual reality.
Really?
Like for example, this one I'm painting, and this is what I see on my glasses. Let it big. I don't know how to put it. And this is what I see in my glasses, so I can.
So it projects it on the wall and then she can draw around it.
Oh wow!
Yes, this is really nice. So like right now is the video from my VR, from my headset, and from me. Like it's really fun, and it's more like you can do like a really big scale, while in the stencil you need to be smaller.
It's like I have a plastic piece, you know, and I've done I take it off and oh god.
So you should to invest in a VR headset now.
It's amazing. Very lovely.
Thank you, John.
Thank you.
Hi, so cute. I'm so happy now. Thank you so much. I swear, before to sleep I was like, no, I need to do something about it. I'm also doing the final touch of some colors, just like everything to be perfect. I was feeling like how I feel so naked. I don't have my hat. Thank you. I'm really beautiful now. I remember once I wanted to do a mural in a house and I forgot my hat. I almost don't use the videos of this art just because I'm not using my hat. Everything is perfect. Now it's time to finish the markers. The blue is still not dry. And to use the markers, I need to be sure that the wall is dry. This means that I will be doing with markers the parts that don't have blue while the blue get dry. So I don't lose the entire time just like waiting 2 hours it dry without doing anything. I'm trying to do as much as I can because we have just today to finish it. And we're gonna finish it. Yahoo! I'm done with the art and now it's 14:20. Why this matters? Because I need good lights. If you guys saw the last vlog that I did, I just finished the art, it was like 8 p.m. What means that it was terrible to make pictures and the videos. Wait. I got up too fast. I will have still like half hour to take some pictures, some videos. I try to document everything, especially on this part when everything is ready. I'm just cleaning up. I took some pictures and videos with the floor, but wow, it's really different when it's without the floor and it's just the wall and it's prettiness. I think I wash my hand because no one... Do you think I should take pictures with the hands dirty or clean? Clean. It's not like artistic with the hands, no? No, if it was not the black, I would work with it. So I'm gonna wash my hands right now. Oh, look how beautiful! So cute. And he didn't stop to say like, I love these flowers. I love those flowers. I love those flowers. I know they're beautiful. What can I do? Vou lavar minha mão.